We're back at it again. The other day, see that? We changed the wheel bearing on this 2002 GMC Yukon. Just replaced it about 8 months ago. So, let's get to it. First, we're gonna move that bolt right there. This is the brake caliber. That takes an Allen key. We're gonna take this big one, this 19 millimeter, and take that off. Like so. And the other one is right there. So I'm gonna take that off and get back. Okay, now that's loose. As you can see, the brake caliper don't want to, it's too tight. So I'm gonna take a screwdriver, stick it in here, release the brakes. I'll show you in a minute. If it gets stuck on the brake disc, you stick a screwdriver in here. This is my favorite one, it's broke. But you release it release the pads off the disc, and you should be get it to come off. My luck, it might not come off though. Okay. Good. It's out the way. Remove it. Now we got a good look at it. See? Playing the steering wheel with squealing. All that bad stuff. So, yeah, this is your ABS brake line. And I gotta disconnect that. So, hold on a minute. I can't find it, so let's try it this way. Just follow this cord. There we go. Bam, ABS is disconnected. You just pop these prongs. I pull them, man. You know, fuck it. I use zip ties, but tie it back. Got these 3 bolts. You can see them. There's one. Let me try to tie it off. There's 3 bolts in there that you have to remove. There's one right there. Just gotta take them out. It's 3. Tell you what size it is in a minute. 15 millimeter. So let me remove them. Then I'll show you. See, there's the other 2 in a second. Loose out. There you go. Voila. Move this shield. We're gonna reuse this. This is the problem. If you look down in there, you can see that some of the bearings is chewed up. Look over there, Doc. Chewed up bearing. Old one. And that might be a problem right there. If you notice, this one have a cap over it. That one don't. I wonder what that other side look like. Oh my God, I probably have to do the other side too. It don't have a cap over it. So, this is what you get when I ordered this one from eBay. And I never knew it was supposed to have a cap on it, but I guess the cap makes the bearing last longer. Let's see. I got the first bolt in. So, should be a piece of cake now. I gotta put the other 2 in, like I showed you. Like the one at the top is gonna hit your upper ball joint bolt right here. So you can just leave that in there. It's not gonna come all the way out. It's gonna hit that. So just leave it in there. Just now I just noticed a little boo-boo. This right here got to be getting it over here. So that this wire, which ain't no big deal. I'm gonna take it off. You can go up in there like so. And I can run it back up to where it came from. So we'll have to take the bottom bolt back off and spin this around. Take this, spin it around over there. Alright. I just put this back on and just slide on. Now I gotta work with the brake caliper. And we should be good to go. Oh yeah, just a great observation. See my stopper right here is messed up, so we're gonna replace that in a minute too. See, the clamps I broke. This came with new clamps. Now, this one right here, don't want to stick back down in there. But the rest of them went. So I'm gonna try to get this one out so I can secure that. Be right back. Look down in here. See the burn? Right there. Twisted and turned around. Like I said, the new one had a cover over this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. The new one had a cover over it. And a roll-up assembly on a 2002 Yukon or Tahoe. Rear-wheel drive. Of course, you just need to grab yourself a 19 millimeter, 15 millimeter for the hub bolts. You need a 19 to remove the brake caliper. And yeah, make sure it comes with a ABS sensor if your truck has ABS, which is this right here. And you can't go wrong with one of these. Good old fashioned torque wrench. See you the next time.